Hey everybody, so today is a little Christmas treat. We're at the Bush's Baked Beans factory, museum
and farmhouse, family farmhouse.
Yeah, so they open it up for Christmas and we're gonna go check that out, so follow us. There's the old house.
Right in front of the factory.
Yep. It's beautiful, isn't it, hon?
Yeah, it's a beautiful farmhouse.
Look at the Christmas tree.
You enter the farmhouse. That's the main parlor, the waiting room.
This is all the famous Bushes.
There's another gorgeous room right off the entry. The drapes and the pillows and the sofa coordinate. It's very gorgeous, very well done.
I almost missed the ceiling.
The papered ceiling with the gold foil, gold and silver foil. It's beautiful. Oh, and they have a downstairs bedroom and suite. Oh, how beautiful. These drapes are super English.
And
beautiful.
The plates like you like.
Yeah. Red transferware. And these are gorgeous. Well, bedding. So well done.
Yeah, this is right down Steph-N-Lee's alley.
Yeah.
Our house would look like this if I let her.
And beautiful ensuite.
Yeah, even got the
floors are amazing, honey.
Yes.
They have to be oak, beautiful oak floors.
Well, one thing you don't get is you don't get the walking over the.
No, there's this. So they have some painted panels that mimic the curtains and the other fabric.
Yeah.
So this is like a little library office in here.
They got the fire going.
Fantastic. The ceilings are super high.
Yes.
And the lighting.
Yeah, I like the way this is like cut out.
Gorgeous. Well done. This tree is lovely, darling. Oh, the mantelscapes too are very tasteful. But all throughout so far, we've seen lots and lots of black and white photos of the family highlighted. There's the leather desk we got.
So our end tables and our
Coffee
table.
Is this inlay?
Yeah, is exactly
inlay leather.
That. But here's some more of the photos we'll try to take a look at here. Yeah, it didn't get this side. And another bathroom.
That's stunning. That's one. It's just over the top for a simple farmhouse. It's just an over the top exuberant. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, check out those old frames.
And folk art.
I can hear it here.
Oh, stunningly. How about that? More of the theme.
You're welcome.
Or the English theme.
It's beautiful, right?
Gorgeous. Stunning. And the table and this tablescape, the baubles. It looks like hand-blown glass baubles.
Yeah.
They
Pretty
have Christmas.
awesome.
They have Christmas music playing. They have plaid paper on the ceiling. It's coordinated.
Yes, it is very
Crazy
coordinated. No, the kitchen is amazing in it.
Another gorgeous, incredible tree, and it's got the panel refrigerator, and the panel doors.
Yeah.
That's a stunning feature. So they also have a butler's pantry off of the kitchen. Another stunning, I don't know if that's a wine fridge, exactly what that is.
I don't know, but I volunteer to be the butler.
But they have a lot of trompe-l'oeil, beautiful fabric all throughout this house so far.
All right, so now we're gonna go up this beautiful staircase.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Oh, look at that tree.
That's another stunning tree. There's a perfect spot for it right here in the hallway.
Yeah, I'm from the warehouse, but I'm
Right over
Etching.
now.
Yep.
We see a couple of those throughout the house.
That's what people are saying, because I haven't been over at Ashford.
You weren't crowded or nothing.
No, I don't go.
One of the bedrooms.
You know, almost every room has a fireplace in it.
Yes, I noticed that too. It's really eloquent. This is pink and my brown transfer wear, Lee.
That's different,
That's
right?
gorgeous. This is chintz. That's nice.
So Steph's busy talking, so we're going to take a look at this other bedroom. Now, no one's lived here since the late 90s, and they had to redo a lot of it since in 2004
Yep.
because of termite damage.
Now the
jeez.
Christmas floral decor is who's responsible is Wilma's in Newport.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. They do a wonderful job decorating this for Christmas every year and getting the color schemes down. But I think the decorators who redecorated this in 2004, I'll find out who they are because they need some kudos for their immaculate design to rebuild this house. Just love it.
Now this is a cool bathroom. I like the wallpaper in here. And I'm not a big fan of wallpaper.
Oh, there's my painting. This is hanging in my bedroom right now.
Yes, it is.
and I will swear, my husband's shaking his head. He doesn't like portraits of any strangers in their house. And here we're in a mansion. But this bedroom is stunning.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming in. Are you from Alabama?
And then, of course, the little Christmas touches. Now this one, yeah, this,
It makes you want to touch the wallpaper. It looks like it's 3D.
I would say this one looks like it's decorated for Christmas all year round.
It's gorgeous though.
Other than
This-
there's butterflies in there.
Just the over the top ornamentation.
Yeah.
It's very French.
Then they got the porch that overlooks the factory.
So we've been to this restaurant quite a few times.
Yeah.
I really enjoy coming here for lunch. They have a great lunch menu. Their prices are very, very good.
Yep.
And you do get a sampling of the new bean of the month that they have coming out.
Yep. Yeah, that's a nice place to eat. Really is.
And then you just walk a little further up and you've got some
Well, the museum and the general store.
and the photo ops.
Yep. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Now we're gonna go see if we can't get the recipe from Duke. We might be able to. He might give it to us because we're nice.
Walk into, they have restrooms and they have the gift shop.
Yep, which is awesome. And then the museum's over here on this side. We actually have another video on this museum and stuff, so I won't spend too much time looking over everything, but
Beautiful tree. Look at this
yes.
one. Love the colors. Really pretty.
Yeah. Check out the The little Dukes in the snow on the bean.
Duke rubber duckies. How cute.
That is cute. Well, they do have a cute setup. I don't know. Are you gonna sit on Santa's lap?
No, poor Santa. No.
Are you gonna let Duke sit on your lap?
Oh yeah. He's a good boy though. He probably don't jump up.
Probably not. Here we got Santa. No.
You guys all doing good?
Oh, good.
I was gonna ask you if Santa's knee has a weight limit.
No weight limit.
No weight limit.
So this here is Santa's official naughty or nice wand. So what happens is if it's green, you're on the nice list. If it's red, we all know what red means.
Yeah, my Mary Jane.
And if it's, that means you got a 50-50 chance of, being on the nice list, okay? So what you do is you have to put your hand on the wand, Santa's official wand. If it's green, Santa's nice list. We all know what big is here, so. Here we go. We'll start off with you.
Oh.
Well, sometimes I'm better than others.
We're not done yet, girl. You're on the nice list. Yay!
I'm in
I'm not sure
trouble.
how well this thing's calibrated either, so. You're on the nice list.
I just calibrated it. It's fine.
You been a good girl?
I tried.
At least you tried. On the nice list.
Yay.
Here we go. Oh, he's sweating already. Oh, you're on the nice list. And we have a book over there after we visit Santa Claus. It's called Santa's Official Nice Book. So make sure you sign it before you leave.
Thank you. We will.
Oh, here it goes. The truth will be.
Hopefully it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Look at there, he's got a light.
No, it's
See
red.
that light?
Oh, on the nice list. Yay. On the nice list.
I'm thinking it might be broken.
No, I calibrated it. I was the first one.
Oh, on the nice list.
I can't imagine there's that many nice list folks here today. But maybe. Hey, there's Duke.
There's that good boy. There's that good boy.
We want the recipe.
Say hi, Duke. Hey, sweet man.
Good pop.
So I'm just gonna open it. So how many is in the group again? 2? And
Yep.
we'll hold this.
Thank you.
Now my photographer elf, you may have to show her how to use this, okay?
Actually, it's on right now.
And we can edit everything out.
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Ho ho ho. Okay, well I'll give it to her as soon as she gets done with Santa's bag. So we're gonna have it here. And he's removing stuff. So well, I'll take it
Yep.
to the elf. So how does she flip it?
What's that?
How does she flip it so it flips you? Because right now it's on me.
Right, and that's all she got to do is face it.
Face it towards you?
Yeah, she'll be able to see in that screen.
I don't know.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
We'll turn it on.
It's too awesome meeting you, Santa.
Oh, it's great meeting you guys. Can you tell Santa what your favorite cookie is?
Chocolate chip for me.
What's your favorite cookie?
Toll House chocolate chip.
That with or without ice cream?
With and hot. Yeah, warm
Yeah, she
and
likes
with
the hot
ice cream.
fudge and the,
And what's your favorite? With or without ice cream?
oh, without.
Without ice cream?
Yeah.
Coffee, tea, or milk?
Coffee.
Coffee, tea, or milk?
Milk.
Milk. And can you tell Santa what your favorite Christmas
It's
carol is?
good. It's fine.
My favorite Christmas carol is Ring the Bell.
And what's your favorite Christmas carol?
Silent night.
Silent Night? Alrighty. Thank you very much
Thank
for visiting
you.
Santa Claus. Hope you guys do really well, and glad to hear you guys are all on the nice list. Sign the book before you leave, and that's going to go straight to the North Pole once
Awesome.
Santa's finished here.
Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas, and thank you for visiting Santa Claus. And
Wonderful
Duke.
seeing you again.
All right, nice seeing you. We'll see you Christmas Eve.
You bet. That was good. Remember.
Oh, I'll remember
you.
that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
There's Duke.
What a
Be a
good
good
boy.
boy. So we got to meet Duke. How awesome is that?
This experience here at the Bush Beans farm and museum and factory. Fantastic.
Yes, and free.
Fantastic. It's free. It's a family must.
Yeah, I mean, if you're in the local area, definitely worth stopping by.
You're on your way to Sevierville. You're on your way back to your cabin.
Yeah,
This end of East Tennessee.
Right.
Do make it a point to show up and just get immersed
Yeah.
in some history.
Take it all in.
The kids will have fun with all the things to do in the museum.
Yep. So we want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. Subscribe if
Give
you haven't
Santa
yet.
a thumbs up.
Yeah, give Santa a thumbs up. And Duke. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day. And there's their big sign as you're leaving.